Hi guys, welcome to Subtech Online. My name is Asabit Christopher. This time we are going to look at drop-down lists. We know that is a powerful Excel feature that allows you to pick an item from a list you have already created. So we shall have six categories as how we are going to briefly explain through them. Please subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell such that you can get all the notifications at the real time. So we have drop-down list fundamentals. That's how do you create a drop-down list. Uh, then secondly, we shall look at the dynamic drop-down list where you have changes done on the list and it automatically changes on the drop-down list you have already created in the other sheets. Then thirdly, we have conditional formatting inserting colors in your data such that you have that difference, but all doing it with the list you have already created, which is already configured into drop-down list. So we are going to look at that. Then the fourth episode that will come in, how do you use the lookup formulas to to pick up data and summarize data from data you have using drop-down lists. Then number five, we shall have multi-level dependent drop-down lists where one drop-down list is relating to the other, what is selected on the other. Then the searchable drop-down list as the last episode we shall have, where you put a search item and it brings you only categories of what you have already searched. So please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and please support us that way, and you'll have all the notifications the moment we upload those videos. Thank you very much. Meet you next time as we release the first episode. Thank you. Bye.